Ford Mondeo MK4 Climatronic system diagnostics and calibration helps with troubleshooting air condition faults. Press and hold buttons off and footwell vent, release and immediately press auto button. This will start calibration, which can help with wrong air distribution in your car. When all segments on the LCD are on, calibration is done. Press footwell vent button to exit. Once again, press and hold buttons off and footwell vent, release and immediately press front vent button. This will show you current error codes. If all segments are on, there are no error codes to display. Once again, press and hold buttons off and footwell vent, release and immediately press AC button. On the display you will see Climatronic software version from your Ford Mondeo.